Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Assalatu wassalamu ala asrofil anbiya'i wal mursalin Sayyidina Muhammadin wa ala alihi wa sahbihi ajmain amma ba'd. Good morning everyone. Today we are from group 4. We'll begin our discussion about multiple clauses, adjective clause. Dengan anggota Lutfia Sabrina and Fajriansyah. Next. A. Objective of the study. At the end of the lesson, the students are able to 1. Identify adjective clause. 2. Write sentence with adjective clause. B. Material description. In the previous meeting, we discussed the concept of sentence with multi-clause and present one type of multi-clause sentence, noun clause. In meeting 7, we will discuss another type of multi-clause sentence that function to modify a noun adjective clause. Delahanty and Garvey argue that adjective clause is a misleading name of relative clause. However, the name adjective clause is popular to the general public as it is more understandable. Next. One. Adjective clause connector as object. Adjective clause follows the head noun they modify and begin either with one of the three connectors of adjective clause. Below are the connectors used in adjective clause. Whom for people, which for things, that for people and things. Example 1. The woman subject is feeling verb. The bottle object when clause. That connector C subject to verb on the table preposition adjective clause. The example 1 above contains two clauses. In the main clause, the woman is the subject of the verb is feeling. Meanwhile, in the adjective clause, she is the subject of the verb is. That is the adjective clause connector that joins these two clauses. The adjective clause that she put on the table modify the noun bottle of the first clause. Next. Example 2. The bottle subject. That connector C subject put verb on the table preposition adjective clause contains verb milk object when clause. The example 2 above also contains two clauses. In the main clause, the bottle is the subject of the verb contains. Meanwhile, in the adjective clause, she is the subject of the verb put in this sentence. The connector that joins these two clauses. The adjective clause that she put on the table describe the noun bottle of the first clause. Next. 2. Adjective clause connectors as subject. The example 1 and 2 above show how adjective clause connector are used to introduce clause that describe a noun. In several cases, adjective clause connector can also be the subject of an adjective clause. The adjective clause connector that can be functioned as subject is different for people. The table 4 below shows the adjective connector clause that can be used as subject, followed by sentence samples. Table 4 Adjective clause subject. Who for people, which for things, that for people and things. Example 3. The woman subject is feeling verb. The bottle object main clause. That connector subject is verb on the table preposition adjective clause. In example 3, three are two clauses in the main clause. The woman is the subject of the verb is feeling, while in the adjective clause, the connector that is the subject of the verb is the two clauses with adjective clause connector that. The adjective clause describes the noun bottle. Notice that in this example, the connector that serves to function as subject of the verb is as well as the connector which joins the two clauses. Next. Example 4. The battle subject main clause. That connector is verb on table preposition. Adjective clause. Contains verb with object main clause. The example 4 above also contains two clauses in the main clause. The battle is the subject of the verb contains meanwhile in the adjective clause, the connector that is the subject of the verb is. In this sentence, the connector that joins the two clauses, the adjective clause that she put on the table, describe the noun battle of the first clause. Notice that in this example, the connector that serves to function as subject of the verb is as well as the connector which joins the two clauses. Next. Three usual patterns of adjective clause. In everyday informant uses, often one adjective clause pattern is used more commonly than another. For example, in example 5 below, who as a subject pronoun is more common to be used than that. Example 5 usual I like the people who live next to me. As usual, I like the people that live next to me. Another example is the connector that is more common than which. Example 6. Usual, I like books that have good plots. Less usual, I like books which have good plots. In addition, adjective clause connector for object are commonly omitted, especially when speaking. Example 5. Usual, I like the people I meet last night. Usual, I like the book I read last week. Jadi, stop dulu kalau misalnya mau dipindahin.
Next.
For using was another connector that can be used in introducing adjective clause is was. Was function to show possession. It carries the same meaning as other possessive pronouns used as adjective, such as his, her, its, and their. Was should be connected to a noun, but was and the noun connected to it are best at the beginning of the adjective clause. Example: I know the man. His bicycle was stolen. I know the man whose bicycle was stolen. Sentence breakdown. I subject, know, verb, the main object, was connector, bicycle, subject, was stolen, verb, adjective clause. Example, the student words will I read her composition. The student whose composition I read right will. Next. Sentence breakdown. The student whose connect the student subject whose connector composition object I subject read verb adjective clause. Read verb write verb will adverb main clause. Next saja jadi. Nah, next Fajri.
All right, exercise. Number 1, identifying adjective clause, direction. All of the sentence contain errors in adjective clause structures. Correct the error. Number 1, in our village, there were many people didn't have much money. In our village, there were many people who or that didn't have much money. Point 2, I enjoyed the book that you told me to read it. I enjoyed the book that you told me to read. 3, I still remember the man who he taught me to play the violin when I was a boy. The best answer, I still remember the man who taught me to play the guitar when I was a boy. Number 4, I showed my father a picture of the car I am going to buy it as soon as I save enough money. Miss Answer. I showed my father a picture of the car I am going to buy as soon as I save enough money. Number 5. The woman about what I was talking about suddenly walked into the room. I hope she didn't hear me. Yes, answer. The woman about whom I was talking about suddenly walked into the room. I hope she didn't hear me. Number 6. Almost all of the people appear on television wear makeup. Almost all of the people who or that appear on television wear makeup. 2. Sentence making exercise. I. Adjective clause connector as the object of a verb. Direction. Combine the sentence using the second sentence as an adjective clause. Give all the possible patterns. 1. The book was good. I read it. The book that I read was good. 2. Like the woman I met here at the party last night. The best answer. I like the woman whom I met at the party last night. 3. I like the composition you wrote it. The best answer. I like the composition that you wrote. Number 4. The people were very nice. We visited them yesterday. The people whom we visit last night were very nice. Exercise B. Adjective clause. Connector as object subject. Direction. Combine the two sentences. Use the second sentence as an adjective clause. Number 1. I saw the man. He closed the door. The best answer. I saw the man who that closed the door. Number 2. The girl is happy. She won the race. Answer. The girls who won the race is happy. Number 3. The student is from China. He sits next to me. The best answer. The student who sits next to me is from Chinese. Number 4. The students are from China. They sit in the front row. The best answer. The student who sit in the front row are from China. Number 5, we are studying sentence. They contain adjective clause. The best answer, we are studying sentence which contain adjective clause. Number 6, I am using a sentence. It contains an adjective clause. I am using a sentence that contains an adjective clause. Number 7, algebra problems contains letters. They stand for unknown numbers. Algebra problems contain letters which stand for unknown numbers. Number 8, the taxi driver was friendly. He took me to the airport. The taxi driver who took me to the airport was friendly. Exercise C. Usual patterns of adjective clause. Direction. Combine the sentence using the second sentence as an adjective clause. Give all the possible adjective clause patterns. Discuss which patterns are used more commonly than others. Example, the scientist is well known for her research. We met her yesterday. The scientist wrote that we met yesterday is well known for her research. For one, she lectured on two topics. The student missed the assignment. They were absent from class. The students were absent from class missed the assignment. 3. Yesterday I ran into an old friend. I hadn't seen him for years. Yesterday I ran into an old friend whom I hadn't seen for years. Number 4. The young woman are all from Japan. We met them at the meeting last night. The young men we met at the meeting last night are all from Japan. Number 5, I'm reading a book. It was written by Jane Austen. I'm reading a book that was written by Jane Austen. Exercise D. Using was in adjective clause. Direction. Combine the sentence using the second sentence as an adjective clause. Number 1. I know a man. His last name is Groth. The best answer, I know a man whose last name is Groth. Number 2. I apologize to the woman. I spilled her coffee. I apologize to the woman was I spilled a coffee. Number 3, the man called the police. His wallet was stolen. The best answer, the man whose wallet was stolen called the police. Number 4, I met the woman. Her husband is the president of the company. The best answer, I met the woman whose husband is the president of the company. Next slide. Habis. Finish. Thank you.
Thank you. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Waalaikumsalam warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Udah jadi langsung absen aja. Kalau yang belum masuk suruh masuk aja.